Okay, so I've got this RUUD, R-U-U-D AC unit, and what was happening is it would come on, and then once it warmed up, because of the high pressure, when it went to restart, the lights, and I've got LED lights all over the house, they would blink for a few seconds and shut off, or not shut off, but just blink or dim for a few seconds and then come back on. So what was happening is the capacitor's bad, and I'll show you that in a minute. But yeah, so this is, in case you're having this issue where it starts correctly, and then as it warms up, it gives you issues as far as trying to start. Yeah, let me show you what the capacitor is. The capacitor is supposed to be 60 for the compressor and 5 for the fan. So let me show you what I got on the capacitor itself. Alright, so this is the capacitor, okay? It's supposed to be 65 plus or minus 6%. So let me connect it up and I'll show you. Alright, I've got it connected. Let me turn on the light. I'll tell you what, it might help a little bit. This is the fan. It's supposed to be 5, and it is, okay, MDF. And when you go to put it on the compressor side, it's not quite 18, so it's way off. So I had to order it from this place, and yeah, should be here by 1 o'clock, and I'll replace it, and it should be good. So we'll see what happens at 1 o'clock. All right, so I hope this helps if you're having the same issues I have. Okay, got me the new capacitor, and this is what it should look like. This should be 60% or 60 MDF. Okay, so we're at 61. Okay, that's good because it's 6% plus or minus. This should be 5. So yeah, we're good to go. I got this set at 200. So yeah. All right, I just got to install it, and hopefully it'll work, and hopefully that'll be the end of it. Okay, it looks good. Nice warm air coming out. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions or whatever, let me know. Again, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll talk to you again on the next one.